What's your favorite, Gravity or Vultures?
Down to the wire. I wanted water, but I walk through the fire. If this is what it takes to...
Well, let's do Vultures, because the story behind Vultures is like, Pino and I were hanging out with Megan, and she said, why don't you do something like Take Me to the River, Al Green, Take Me to the River.
Yeah.
And then John came up with this guitar lick while we were playing this groove. And then we just kind of recorded it on a DAT or something, and he took it home and then wrote Vultures over it.
Some of us, we're hardly ever here. The rest of us, we're born to disappear.
And it's just like the best beat. Boom.
Yeah.
Pocket. A lot of people can't do that. They don't have the patience.
We do this kind of stuff on YouTube all the time with drummers that we bring in, just like Steve. And we also have a full Drumeo platform where we'll teach you how to play drums if you've never played before, or if you've played for years. We'll help you take your playing to the next level. And there's a link down below. You can check out Drumeo free for 7 days. And Steve, you also wanted to talk quickly about the Jazz Foundation of America.
Absolutely. You know, Megan Voss and I are the artistic directors for the foundation. We help musicians in need. We can help people with rent, mortgages, car payments, pro bono health care. We also have programs like Jazz in the Schools, or if you just need someone to talk to. If you want to know more about the foundation, you can go to www.jazzfoundation.org to get to our website and find out more.
Awesome. Well, let's hear some Vultures.
All right. So that's very Al Jackson, Howard Grimes inspired. So that's all Willie Mitchell. That's the whole Willie Mitchell approach. I just kind of gleaned from all the genius work that was done prior to my existence.
I think that's a common thread we're seeing. You're mentioning Fred Below.
I can list
Earl Palmer,
8 million drummers.
Yeah.
No, don't get me started with that, because that's like an 18-week episode.
We'd all be here for
so many influences.
Yeah, but I think
it's just insane.
Yeah, it's cool to hear those bits and pieces coming out, even in the slightest
Yeah, no. I mean, you know, we haven't even touched on Benny Benjamin or Uriel Jones or anything. I mean, don't you know, like,
For the next episode.
yeah, Pistol Allen or, you know, like, you know.
Legends.